going on, everybody? How you doing? Pro Trader Mike, welcome, welcome, welcome. It feels like it's the weekend, but it's not. It's just happy holidays. 'Tis the season, everybody. I got some cool things to show you tonight. I'm going to head over to my other screen and take a look right here ahead, and I'm going to share my screen with you because it's pretty cool. I have this NFT tonight called Chains NFT. Now, I've been in the trenches and the rabbit hole for quite some time, guys. For quite some time. And let's see here. I have my man here, so whenever he could pop in. I have the creator of the Chains NFT.
Hello, can you hear me?
Oh, absolutely. So I just
Hey, man.
started the. Hey, buddy, no problem. I just started the Mojo show. Told them they're in for a treat tonight. I've been in the rabbit hole with NFTs for many, many months. From my origination, as you know, as one of the original Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, but altcoin miners since 2015 with one of the largest mining farms. Let me actually show you right here and press the right button. So this is MOJO Day Trading, guys, Pro Trader Mike on Twitter. So if we come right here, this is the Chains NFT. Why don't you introduce yourself, partner, and the name of your NFT, and we'll go through it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
By the
by
way,
the
I'm
way, I'm
saying
saying
again.
Not anymore. Go ahead.
All right, cool. So my name is Jacob, and my project is called Chains NFT, and we're gonna go through the whole spiel, Mike and I, but just a little bit about Chains, kind of in terms of an overview. So Chains is a 10,000 unit project rendered on the Ethereum blockchain, and what Chains is hyper realistic pendants and chains, as you can see in the pictures. The pictures on the website, and we'll go through some more stuff. But Chains is built to kind of be contradictory and different from every other NFT project that's in the space. Uh, what Chains is doing is creating firsts in many different facets of the word. So just kind of to go through our firsts, right? So our artist, who goes by the Crypto Jeweler, is a well-regarded individual in the space who's been here for about a year. But what's special about him is that he has 8 years in the jewelry world, in terms of real-world experience, creating pendants and chains for all of your favorite artists and influential individuals. So each one of our pieces can actually be manufactured in real life. Each one of the 10,000 chains has a full manufacturable file behind them that allows them to be producible and create a real world store of value, which is kind of our first, right? Something that's never been done before in terms of taking something completely digital, in terms of something like a JPEG, and turning that into a physical real world store of value. And for this case, in diamonds and gold, which have been historical stores of value for hundreds or thousands of years.
That's really cool.
Then we can kind of go into our utility, right? Which is kind of the reason that I got into the NFT space. Uh, I have been in crypto since early 2016, and know Ethereum as a network like the back of my hand, and knew that NFTs, in terms of like the actual non fungible tokens, that the concept going forward and kind of looking into the future of NFTs was going to be solely based around utility, whether those experiences be revolving around real world benefits or in the metaverse. So what I did was, even before I thought about art, I did something where I curated a laundry list of both real world and metaverse utility that would be pre-contracted, right? So even if our NFTs were going to be a blank sheet of white paper, I would have a legitimate store of value behind those NFTs. So what we've done is we've partnered with 4 different hospitality groups on an international scale. The Kess Group in Vegas, Notoriety Group in New York and LA, MIA Experience in Miami, and Chicago, and then First Access in Europe and the Middle East, to provide 367 or 365 24/7 VIP concierge to all of our holders. And what that means is that when you hold a chain, right, you'll be able to go in, verify that you do own a chain, get into our software and immediately 3 to 5 days after mint be able to reap these benefits. And these benefits range from, hey, I want a reservation at a restaurant that, has a 3-week wait for reservations, and, goes all the way up to, I want to go on a bachelor party with my friends to Mykonos and I want a full encompassing experience. And all of these things have tremendous discounts in place, all the way up to 40% off. We have a private jet partnership that's again been pre-contracted at 60 to
Man,
70% off on all of your flights. And these are just daily benefits that are pre-contracted, right? So a lot of other projects, or all other projects, have these roadmaps, right? And these roadmaps are things that will be completed in, say,
in the
Q3
right.
2022, and really never happen. And it's kind of the same shtick. Oh, we're creating
Yes.
X token, and you guys are going to be able to stake it, right? But there's no liquidity behind it, even if they were to create a token. Or
Right.
hey,
Like
we're going
their
to have
idea would be to create the real one after everything's done, once they're completely sold out and everything. And, we
yeah,
know what happens there.
correct.
But that's great that you're able to do and make. It's going to build an incredible community. And when the party comes together with everyone wearing these, those are diamond hands wearing diamond uh, chains.
Definitely. Yeah, we're beyond excited. We have an amazing community. We've got 18,500 people in our Discord. We're about 2.5 weeks away from our pre-sale, so we're chugging along very nicely. Our engagement's awesome. Our community is amazing. They're
Let me show you
positive. They're
Discord right here,
inclusive.
if you don't mind. Let me
Go
pull it
ahead.
over. You have a nice contest too, I see going on in the Discord for people to design their own. You take the piece of paper and you draw your own kind of cool design, which you're selecting. So you're doing some cool things, engaging the community for sure.
Yeah, definitely. We're engaging the community in a lot of different ways. And since our chains are very obviously metaverse wearables, right? Something that we're able to do is partner with, kind of every other PFP project in the space, um, and put our chains on their PFPs. That's just another
It's huge.
partnership. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, for
There's another,
example,
yeah, the mods, that
yeah,
one
we announced a
collection.
partnership with the mods. We announced a partnership with GVols. We announced a partnership with Rare Ghosts, and we have like 4 more on the way leading up to
Yeah, let me
mint.
show these because these are my collections. The G-Vols, dude, I know they're going into, there's certain collections where you just look at them and you
Right.
just know. And the
Totally.
mods was my first one I knew. And then the G-Vols look like the mods. And then these guys come in. So it's like the perfect marriage, guys. Oh, let me go to crypto right here. Chains, NFT, where is it? Chains. Yeah, so you just go on there and search Chains NFT, guys, on Twitter right here. So if you scroll down on their Twitter, look, this is what he's talking about. Look how these are the mods characters, and they'll all be chilling in the metaverse, getting some utility down there. And utility, what that means, folks, a non-fungible token is an image of the actual jewelry, but it's non-fungible means every single one is completely different, as you see in the collection. Not each one is exactly the same. If they were exactly the same, they'd be called fungible tokens. These are non-fungible, so they're all completely different. And the rarity features of each one of these, just like if they were real, one had 100 diamonds versus one that had 50 diamonds. The one that was worth 100 would be worth more rare in the collection than the other. And this is the beauty of it. So this is going to be a hot to trot collection. In my honest opinion, it's not, no investment advice by any means, but I'm going to be putting my own money into it. Do I think it can go up huge? Yes. That's why I have my man on, the creator, the originator, and he's going to tell us the future, because we only heard the present, but I want to hear the future of what's going on with the project.
Yeah. So again, thank you for the kind words. In terms of the future for chains, there's the way that we talk about chains is, again, we can watch this. If you want to turn up the volume, we could watch this
Yeah, let
video
me
really
do
quick
that.
'cause it's fun.
Let me do that. Very cool. Very cool.
Anyways,
Anyways,
yeah.
yeah.
So
So
I'm
I'm
start again if
again
you
if you
help me
help me
out.
out.
Thanks for the word, brother.
No worries. So the future of chains lies in kind of the expansion of the entity forming a full-on limited luxury lifestyle brand. And what that means is that chains as an entity really functions as a large scale collection and outlet of the crypto jeweler as an entity, their kind of design, right? So, chains as a standalone collection is again 10,000 pendants and chains that come with immense utility both in the real world and the metaverse, meaning that your chains are or will act as wearables in terms of your other profile picture projects and avatars in the metaverse and whatever metaverse you interact in, whether that be, say, Sandbox to Decentraland, so on and so forth. And also your utility in terms of things like our VIP concierge. We have, and I wish I could talk about it, but a ridiculous list of Web2 real world partners that we are bringing on after Mint in kind of a strategic way that are really going to make it beyond worth it to hold a chain. We are talking to a couple of professional sports teams in terms of their ownership. We are speaking to, yeah, I mean, I can't really say much more, but you can expect the already amazing utility to expand into almost every aspect of kind of direct to consumer commerce. So we are beyond excited to see where chains goes. And then
Yeah, I
in
think
terms
it
of
could be
different,
easily adopted because if something like this, and it is kind of catching on. You see 6ix9ine wearing the spinning chain. You see a
sure.
lot of other entertainers looking to get that kind of look. And if something like this catches on, like my son goes to me, bro. Yeah, can I get a ski mask, man? I'm like, what? Because he wants to be like the G-Bulls. They have, just the ski man. That's what they're doing. So if something a fad catches on, and every sports team, the big guys, one guy gets it, the next guy athlete's going to get it, the next athlete's going to get it. It
Well,
could
yeah,
really,
that's already taken place.
yeah. And
We're
then they're
very
using their social media to promote the project. So it's a whole
yeah
crazy spider's web beyond anything anybody believes out there or could even imagine is going on in the background, folks.
yeah we call that the snowball effect, and we're very
Yeah.
fortunate that everything thus far has been completely organic, and we've been connected to probably 50 professional athletes who are all very invested in the project and just want to be on the whitelist and want to be in the pre-sale and want to take advantage, right? I mean, there's
There's
a
a huge
you know
benefit to getting the first
right.
50 because then you're going to get,
Well, it's not the first 50, it's a
oh,
random
oh,
50.
it's a random 50.
Right.
And that's out of the first mint. Is there a certain amount out of the 10,000? Is it going to go in one round, or is there a certain amount that's going to be broken up?
No, so the pre-sale consists of 3,300 spots with three mints allowed per transaction. So theoretically, we're going to sell out in our pre-sale, right?
Hmm.
And the way that we did that, and I think that the whitelist really
Is
gets a
there
bad
any is
rap,
there any
right?
way that people that are listening to this can still get in on that 3,300 and get on like a white list with you?
Yeah, definitely. And that's just being in the Discord and being active. We have, a fantastic team of mods, and honestly, myself kind of acts as an all-seeing eye. And just throughout the day, if I see people being active in the Discord and engaging with the community, not spamming or anything like that, but asking meaningful questions, supporting other community members, I generally throw them a whitelist, and we're probably going to be doing so for another week. But again, we have these partnerships with these other entities that kind of command whitelist spots, so it's pretty much all delegated in terms of those spots.
Let me explain to my guys what he's talking about with the whitelist spot. It's basically like indication of interest when you do an IPO, you're putting your name down that you want those shares, that they're not going to go to someone else. They're like being reserved for you. So when you do an NFT, it's a list. You're going to put your name and like your Ethereum address down, and they know you're real deal serious. So when the mint comes on their date and it's on their website, you press the button, you'll actually be able to press the button and buy your 3. But if you're not on the whitelist and you go press the button, nothing will happen. So you have to go to their Discord. The links are below in the description. You can go to their Twitter and all their social media. It's right here. It says discord.gg/chains. Get in the Discord, say hello in the chat, get verified, and get on the whitelist, guys. Yeah.
Definitely.
Hey, Jacob, what marketplaces are you guys going to be on after you mint? Where could the people go see them being revealed and trading active?
So yeah, first we will be on OpenSea, and yeah, I can't speak too much more after
It's
that.
fine.
But first,
OpenSea's fine because they
yeah,
know most people. That's great.
yeah.
So
Initially we
they
will be OpenSea, and then we will be migrating eventually.
No
But
problem. What is
classified
the
it
what is it's going to be in Ethereum, so they have to get
correct.
some Ethereum ready. So guys, get your Coinbase and your Ethereum ready. What is the mint price going to
It's
be?
zero point 0.1 Ethereum, which right now equates to, I believe, $400.
Yep, at 4,000 Ethereum, zero point 0.1's 400, guys. So that you're probably going to look at maybe, I would say, max 120 gas fee. So you'd
Oh,
probably want
so through our whitelist, we actually have effectively controlled gas, and are mitigating those gas prices to effectively lessen them to no more than about $20 per transaction. So that meaning you can
awesome,
mint 3 with $20 of gas
awesome, guys. So as other ones, you would have to put in 400 plus 120, as I said. You'd need that
at a
break even at
minimum.
520 at a minimum. It's okay that it's 0.1 and it's 400 because you want a nice high floor. So they figured that out by lowering the gas fees, seeing what other guys have had trouble with, completely fixed. So it's going to make us, by buying a bunch of these, be really happy holders that, it's not a 0.02 or 0.03 and it's a 0.1 and going higher with some activity. So excellent to see. And I like that it's on the open sea and you got those gas fees controlled. So have like $450. I'd even put 500 in there so you have extra in your account after it's closed. That's how I'm going to do it.
Yeah, definitely. And when I mint traditionally, I try to keep like an extra 50 to 60% of whatever mint price is, but not for chain. So we have an amazing software dev. We're very happy.
Cool. Am I able to come in with um, if I with multiple, can I get on the whitelist twice? Like me and I can ask my friend to come in and he can get on the whitelist. I can bring in as many people as I want, right?
Yeah, well, again, the whitelist is pretty tight, but we do
Okay.
have a lot of our OG members have whitelist spots stacked. And the reason being that we have a tiered reward system, right? So it goes gold, platinum, and then diamond. Gold holders hold 3+ chains. Platinum holders hold 5+ chains, or 6+ chains, sorry, and diamond holders hold 10+ chains. And
Hmm.
each of these tiers will grant you larger discounts in terms of scale, as well as access to different experiences, right? So if you were only to buy one chain, which is completely fine, you will still have access to baseline utility, meaning you'll be able to access that VIP concierge on a daily basis. You'll have access to all of our giveaways, like our ticket to space, and
Hmm.
to be one of the 50 chains that are initially made in real life before everyone goes and is able to purchase them themselves. You will have access to our PGA tickets that through our partnership with some PGA Tour members, stuff like that. But as you hold more chains and level up through gold, platinum, and diamond, you get access to larger discounts. Remember, I said that discounts range from 10 to 40%. Those discounts scale to a higher rate as you kind of climb up that ladder, as well as different experiences. So, for example, we already have a prearranged trip in summer of 2022. We're taking all the diamond holders to Mykonos through our partners in Mykonos, and we have villas rented and experiences going on there. So that'll be awesome. But just
Yeah.
extra perks kind of
Yeah.
as
So
we
when
climb
you're
the ladder.
buying 10 of them, I figure, that if I'm spending 10,000 and I'm getting a free trip, that'd be $4,000. So I'm actually getting them like a discount, 50% off.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely. And
definitely.
yeah, I mean,
Let me show you like what I do with this. Like, see this cars collection? Every time a car comes up, I buy it. I want to own 10% of the entire collection. I just buy all the cars, dude. Car, all over the place. I own cars, the same one. So this is the kind of collection like I would do with you. Every time a car one comes up on the floor at a certain price, click it because I know I've seen some sell higher. And that's like what I do with collections, guys. That's the kind of collection I'd like to do that kind of thing with.
definitely.
A really good collection that gives you sick utility. They're not giving me a car by me owning 200 cars right now. It would be nice, but they
It would be
don't.
nice.
But if I own 10 of those chains, dude, Mojo's going to be having one of them chains, bro.
Definitely.
Definitely. So I love the project, love the utility, the direction, the team, and the backbone behind it. There's so many catalysts. And
Yeah,
when you're in the stock market, what creates activity and price action is catalysts, news, and something that doesn't have a huge supply, dudes. So there's a limited supply of 10,000. That's it. Once they're gone, they're gone. And if the diamond hands are holding them, that's going to limit the supply down. So if 5,000 of the people never ever going to sell and they each have a couple, that's 5,000 in the collection that are available. So that's how I'm looking at it. It's not a 10,000 collection. It's half that because the people that are going to do this aren't interested in trading these NFTs. They're interested in holding them.
definitely. And we've seen that as kind of
Mm-hmm.
as a common medium between all of our or the rest of our community is that no one really plans on selling, which is great, obviously. We want that tight knit community going forward. We want all of our holders, and especially our OGs who have kind of been in the Discord and active in the community since the beginning, to really be able to go and reap those benefits in real life and continuously reap those benefits because that's why we built this shit for them.
Yep, absolutely. So guys, we're going to continue to follow the project down the roadmap into the exciting events. I'll post some of their amazing things on my Twitter, keeping my audience appraised. And when they go minting, I'm going to get me an NFT, he said. So Mojo's going to get one. And some of the people I'm working with in the entertainment industry, big, are also interested in these NFTs in the digital side and the physical side, guys. I saw also on your thing you have like this if you did like a Rolex in your profile and chains. Is that what you did in the Discord? You're giving like a Rolex away or something?
Oh yeah, so I mean,
Oh, that was in your Discord, right?
no, it's on Twitter as well. But what I did was a couple of weeks ago, I was just talking to people in the Discord, and I was like, "Hey, listen, like whoever's the most active person in the Discord, no problem. I'll buy a Rolex for." And they were like, "Yeah, okay, whatever." Because a lot of other projects, their founders promise them shit.
Yeah.
You kind of have to listen to the audio here. The audio is what makes it, because if not,
Let
just
me let me turn it on.
Yeah.
Chain leader just copped this for the chains Discord. Who's gonna win it? Brand new 2021.
Dudes, I win something like that, and I'm like all over. Look at my watch. You know where I got that? For free by participating in an NFT project. They'd be like, what the hell's an NFT? I'd be like, dude, you are so behind. You know, Bitcoin's 50,000 now. I got it under 900. This is the same opportunity. I'm going to give it to you now. Listen very carefully and just show them what you've built. You know, here's a picture of an NFT. I did it in the bar tonight. And dude, this is real deal. The bartender gave me his text so I could keep him appraised. I said, look at these chain NFTs. He's watching the show tonight. Juan from Flanagan's. What's up, buddy? I told you I'd give you a shout out. There you go. I didn't tell him that, but I want to give him a shout out. So very nice, guys. I'm so happy that I got to bring on Jacob and the Chains NFT. Do you want to add anything else before we split and go do our cheer drinking for the holidays and get back with the family, partner?
No, I'm good. I'm happy that you brought me on. Thank you for letting me speak, and I'm excited to see where this thing goes. I look forward to welcoming some of you guys into the Discord, into the community, watching you interact. So get ready, get excited. The shit's gonna go crazy.
We will. Thanks again. And I'll edit out some really cool parts of this video and I'll send it to you that you can use and share around social media because we need to share it so we can grow, guys. It's about the adoption and the support. So thanks again. Thanks, Chains NFT. And you have a good weekend and a good holiday. And I'll look for you in the mint and we'll do another show after to update everybody on what's going on. Okay?
Yep. Likewise. Thank you, boss. Appreciate you having me on.
Bye-bye. That was cool, dudes. Right? Now let's take a look at the MOJO portfolio, baby. Let me show you what I've been doing. Dude, I've been collecting 259 in the MOJO OpenSea, baby. Look at that. I got some micro buddies. Look at these things, dude. I'm like, oh really? Look at this. Okay, micro buddies. I'm like, most active on the small side. Look at this. Traded 4 Ethereum. I had all this extra Matic Polygon, no fees. I'm like, okay, look, 14 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, 24, 26. Boom, boom. Look at all that activity. And they're not transfers, dude. They're sales. And they're doing like a game, dude, called the Micro Buddies. This is a real deal one too. I found, and then I never even gotten in contact with them. I just bought a bunch. I like it. I saw the activity. Saw that activity, baby. Look at Bitcoin, bro. Bitcoin's 51,000 again. Ethereum 41 hundo, and Solana boy. Look, Polygon 264. Ooh, Ripple's gonna Heinz $1. Cardano's gonna Heinz $1.50, and Solana's going through 200. Ooh, Mojo bought a whole bunch of Solana NFTs at 170 and below. A lot, dude. These are all my Solana NFTs. Look at all these. These are good. These are my funky punks, dude. I bought these at 08 and 09. Floor's 10. Floor's 10. Thank you, Mojo. Look, floor's all 10 now. And then they go to 12, then 13. Yeah, baby. I got a bunch of these punks. These punks can go to $1 Solana, 10x, in my opinion. That's why I got them. Wouldn't be telling you about them. They've traded 53 Solana, very active on the funky punks, dude. Look, trading 08, 08, 09, 09, 010, 010, 010. See that? Mojo bought the 08. Look, 08, Mojo. Look, this is me. I bought that one for 08. You come up at 08, like the chains at 0.1. You come up at 08, bam, Mojo gotcha. See, look, E with the QE at the end. That's me. Look, here's my wallet. EEEWNT. Look, EEEWNT. Told you it was me. You're like, Mojo's lying. No, he's not. 0.08's me. Look, see this guy? EEEEEE. That's me. That's Mojo. Look at that funky punk. He says fuck on his shirt. Right? Funky Punk 1774. Where's another one at 08? Here's another one at 08 Mojo got probably. Oh, it was an 07. I missed it. When was that? That was today? No way. How'd I miss that? Here's another one I own. This funky punk right here. EEEEBQE. He's a cool one, dude. I got a lot of them, so I bought a lot of them. Solanas. I got some shuffle sharks. This is the most highest shuffle shark in the entire collection. He's got a Bitcoin and a fish. So if you go to the shuffle sharks and you come down here and you price this baby by high to low, it's trading a bunch. Floor is 0.2. Price it high to low. Look, 300 Solana, nothing like mine. Here's a Bitcoin one for 12, but he don't have a little guppy fish. Here's one for 50 with a little guppy fish. Here's a guppy fish. Here's a guppy fish. But none of them have a chain and a guppy. Mine is the most valuable one in the entire collection. How did I get it? I minted it. I did a review on them. They gave me like 3 or something like that. I got a couple in here where I got a couple. I always mint what I do, dudes. Why not? Shouldn't I, right? I want to get the sick. I got the sick rare, bro. I got a lot of cars, dude. So I got some Shiba Doge. I got some Terraform Seed. I got a golfing sheep. Got some Rogue Circuits. Got some Royal Bearzillas. Got some other cars, got some bananas, got some punks, got some cheese, block cheese gang, got some undead souls. What else I got? I got some, this is a new guy. I got some Seattle Seahawks, the sole NFL players. He's going for 0.15 already, bro. I bought him for 0.15. I thought I bought him for 13. So he's going for 15. The soul babies right here. So let's sort these. How many of them? There's one left at 15. And then it goes 16, 18, 19, and 22. Come on. Seattle Seahawks are being done right now. Arizona Cardinals, Tampa Bay, Atlanta Falcons, Green Bay right here. Seattle, Arizona Cardinals. See that, Bubbas? Love those. The sole NFL players would be playing in the metaverse. So that's my Solanas. These are my, I don't have no chains yet because they didn't mint. I don't got no change yet. So guys, thanks for watching the Mojo Show. Wasn't it cool? Learned about some NFTs. You want to see my course? Check this out. Let me show you some of my course. How about from here? Let's see. Let me pick a good spot. How about what is a wallet from current slide? So this is my NFT course right here, like I'm teaching. And I'm like, yo, before I teach you what an NFT is, you know what I'm saying? Let me tell you what Bitcoin is. Let me tell you what the blockchain is. Let me tell you what a wallet is. And this is like how I teach. Look, what is a wallet? It's a device, a program, or a service that stores your public and private keys. But what it is, it's an application on your phone, dude. You can't read all that stuff. I don't teach like that. You can copy that and try to teach it to your people, but let me show you what I do. You go to your phone, you go to the app store, and you go to Coinbase. Download that thing. It's an app, okay? And then you register, you log in, you put your email in. I'll send you an email. You activate it in your email, and that app's ready to go. Boom, boom on your phone, right? Same thing on your desktop. So then you take your phone right here, and you like, buy Ethereum, send Ethereum, transfer Ethereum, buy NFT, confirm NFT. All happens in this digital wallet. Okay. Give me $1 bill. I don't want to touch it. It's got COVID on it. You just sneezed. You got COVID. I don't want your money. Digital, baby. I go to the dispensary, can pay, baby. I go to the bank, wire it, baby. I go crypto, transfer it, baby. That's what I do. So you need a digital wallet, very secure. It transfers digitally your money. Example, you got your checking account, you got your savings account. You transfer money, you log in, you go transfer $100, checking, savings, send. boom, it automatically happens. The computers at the bank, they're centralized computers. They spent a lot of money on those computers to make that transaction happen on their own electricity. The electricity goes out, your transaction ain't happening. Electricity's on at the bank, your transaction in outer space. Okay? I take this coin right here, I transfer it from one hand to the other. Look, in space, like digital, from one wallet to the other. In the middle, invisible money, right? Electricity. Banks paying for that, centralized. Incorrect. Those days are over. Now you pick up your phone, you're decentralized. You have the power. You could take and you could send money anywhere you want, from here to Costa Rica for nothing. Go to MoneyGram in your grocery store and try to send money to Costa Rica. You know how much that costs? You know how long that takes? Those days are over. Do it on your phone, cross-border transactions instantly, no fees. That's the future. That's a digital wallet. And the decentralized world is the stability of your wallet. There's called a miner. You've heard of the miners like Riot Blockchain, Mara Patent Group, all Hut, Bitmain, all the miners. They secure the network. So when your transaction goes and you're sending money from me to you and it's in between in the invisible air, you know what happens? The miners come in, they verify the transaction on their computer and their electricity. They get instead of the bank getting you $3 a month to hold your checking account, they're charging you virtually a fraction of a cent to transfer that money. And by them doing that and all the computers in the world fighting to verify your transaction, adds stability to the network, making it the most secure transaction that is impossible to fugazi. Amazing. That's the blockchain. That's what a wallet is. That's how you move money from one source to the other digitally, invisible in the air, and how Mojo explains it to his students. So if you like the way I teach in my that's just one of the slides, bro. You totally understand what a wallet is now, a digital wallet. You go to my Twitter and you scroll down. Look at my chain, baby. Make me one of them, Momo. You scroll down right here, guys. Mojo hits 60,000 followers. And I hate people that say I get no action and stuff. I got 25 retweets in 2 minutes and 31 likes. You try to do that with some quality people. You think people right here are shilling and I got bots? How about Pro Trader Allen? He hasn't lost one day in the Mojo room in 5 years. The guy's worth millions and millions of dollars. And I'm teaching him now about NFTs. See this guy, Nate Dogg Willie? Boom, this guy loves NFTs. See this guy, Crypto Jungle, and Justin, one of my top guys, loves to get in and buy NFTs. See Adam, loves it. Greg is Pro Trader Bloom, Pro Trader Uncle Adam in the room, Pro Trader Shane in the room. You think these guys, he bought the mods with me. Shane bought a bunch of the mods. Dude, you think my people are fake and I'm pulling out, look, Pro Trader Nate, Pro Trader Dalva right there. Borinson, Louie, these guys got moolah, jula, money, boy. You think you go to my next one, you go to some famous people that got million people, they got 25 likes. 9 of the people are the same people in each one of the posts that never buy. So who's got what, right? Mojo doesn't have anybody. Mojo's following is fake, like Clara, the girl, Axie Infinity. Go to them. They have 809,000 followers. They follow me. You think, how did I get that to happen? Am I a shill? Do I have no power? Do I talk shit? Right? Drake Bell. How about Drake Bell? He follows me. 4.5 million followers. We've done a YouTube show together a couple of times. You think Mojo doesn't know what he's talking about? So I don't like going on spaces throwing out sick alpha from a girl that says, oh, I just got on the computer 2 years ago, but I'm hosting a Twitter space to talk about marketing. And I come on and I say I got 60,000 followers. And you say those are bought followers and I don't have any tweets. Well, listen, Good luck to everybody that throws Mojo's alpha out the door and kicks me out of the space, because I'm trying to tell you, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, they're talking about, go and open up all over the place so you get yourself known. And I'm like, wrong. Why don't you build one strong community like I did on Twitter? I spent 10 years every day following like-minded traders so they would follow me back. Then I delivered great information and content and kept it consistent. And I've grown my Twitter to 60,000. Okay. That's not by happenstance or luck or buying. I've never spent one dime on advertising. It's from hard work, patience, self-belief, and fulfilling my outcome goal. And my outcome goal is I'm going to get over 5 million followers, but I got to do the process goal and getting a little bit each day with self-belief and patience. So I'm on my way. I'll give alpha to anybody, and anybody that needs help in NFTs, stocks, futures, crypto. I'm the master of disaster. I'd love to share ideas and collaborate. So contact me. My information is below. Peace. Keep it profitable. Kick ass in 2022. And what I say is my motto, 2000. Let me get rid of this screen. Listen, 2021 was fine, but 2022 is mine. So everyone have a great holiday and a happy new year, and peace. See you on the next show, guys. Give me a thumbs up, a like, and a subscribe, and click the notification bell so when I go live, they send you an email and get notified.